Professionals in the electric, gas, and water utility community, the time has come to step into the limelight of industrial innovation. The 2024 ARC Forum workshop entitled Building Sustainable Industrial Operations and Supply Chains Through the Energy Transition invites you to Orlando to join a league of leaders who are reshaping the industrial sector. Scheduled for February 5th at the Renaissance Orlando SeaWorld Hotel, this event is your gateway to be at the heart of the energy transition movement. Your expertise in electric, gas, and water utilities is not just valuable here, it's crucial. This workshop offers a rich tapestry of learning and networking opportunities. Engage with top ARC analysts and your industry peers. Delve into the latest in industrial electrification, hydrogen, carbon capture, and digital technologies that are transforming your field. Be aware that availability is limited, and by securing your spot now, you not only ensure your participation, but also benefit from the most favorable rates. This event is more than just a gathering. It's a platform to elevate your knowledge and connect with industry leaders. So join us to influence the dialogue around sustainable operations in your sector. Share your insights, learn from others, and be part of a community at the forefront of energy innovation. Whether your goal is to deepen your understanding or broaden your professional network, this ARC Forum workshop is your destination. Register today to confirm your participation. Visit our website to complete your registration and mark February 5th on your calendar. It'll be a day of impactful discussions and actionable insights awaiting you at the Renaissance Orlando SeaWorld. This is where the future of energy transition is taking shape.